So tomorrow, if you have an option to choose arranged marriage or love marriage, what will you choose and why?
Obviously, love marriage. I don't believe in arranged marriage. I mean, even after love arranged marriage, people like hope that it would turn into love marriage. So, yeah. So arranged marriage doesn't make sense to me.
I'm not sure if you're married or not, but if you had to choose arranged marriage or love marriage, what would you choose and why?
Love. Yeah. I think it's just easier. It's more, I believe that, knowing the individual beforehand, you're just more compatible and you're not going in blind. Yeah, and I think it's fun to having known that person and then getting into something that big, which is life changing, yeah.
If you had an option to choose arranged marriage or love marriage, what would you choose and why?
Love marriage.
Any specific reason?
Because I feel you need to choose a partner on your own because you are the one going to live with your partner, so it needs to have love as the foundation, love and respect as the foundation. So yeah, that's
Love, marriage, same reason.
Yeah, love and same reason. I think friendship is super important, and in a love marriage that comes more easily.
If you had an option to choose arranged marriage or love marriage, what would you choose and why?
love marriage.
Any specific reason?
I don't know, it's my personal preference.
Hands down, love marriage, because who wants to be spending the rest of their lives with a person who is not even known? And oh my god, those first nights FOMOs, I cannot deal with that.
Love marriage or arranged marriage?
I would prefer a love marriage, but there's situation, so depends. But love marriage should be something.
If you had an option to choose arranged marriage or love marriage, what will you choose and why?
Love, obviously.
Any specific reason?
No.
If tomorrow you had an option to choose arranged marriage or love marriage, I know it's too early for you to answer these questions, but what would you choose?
According to my parents.
Same. Yeah. Love come arrangement.
So tomorrow, if you had an option to choose arranged marriage or love marriage, what would you choose and why?
No marriage.
Why?
Just kidding. Depends. Like if I find someone that I can spend my life with, then sure. If not, it's fine too.
So you believe in love marriage?
Yeah.
Arranged marriage because I don't think so. I have so much of luck in me that I'll find love somewhere and all. I think arranged marriage, I love that to my parents. I think they'll find a better one for me. So
If tomorrow you had an option to choose arranged marriage or love marriage, what will you choose and why?
I'll always choose arranged marriage.
Okay. Any specific reason?
Like my dad don't support love marriages, so for him I'll choose arranged marriage.
Okay. If you had an option to choose arranged marriage or love marriage, what would you choose and why?
If my relationship is failing, then arranged marriage. Yeah, I would go for that. I think love marriage.
Any specific reason?
For now, I can say love marriage. If it fails, I will say arranged marriage.
Okay.